Hi everyone! You are watching The How To by Axon, a series of practical tech tips from our software engineers on how to make your IT product sharper for competitors and better for customers. My name is Alina, and today we're going to talk about integrating Open Authorization 2.0 to your application. Open Authorization 2.0 is an open standard protocol allowing users to share private info between sites without disclosing passwords. Our software engineers have prepared detailed instructions for adding Open Authorization 2.0 to your app, covering both backend and frontend. Learn to handle lots of services and users for scalable growth. Use our guide for smooth integration, ensuring secure data access while keeping privacy intact. Get easy-to-follow guidance for improving user security and providing flexibility. Start now!